Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, I'm making a special recipe that is inspired by and dedicated to our recently departed family pet companion. This recipe combines the sweetness of maple syrup, the boldness of whiskey, and the smokiness of a perfectly grilled ribeye. Everything that he exemplified. So here it is, Loki's whiskey maple ribeye steak. Here's what you'll need: 2 1-inch ribeye steaks, half a pound of bacon, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons clarified butter, kosher salt, 1/4 cup of whiskey, 1/4 cup Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 16 ounces of mushrooms, 2 onions, and 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to start off by making a rub for our steaks. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and kosher salt. For the bacon, we'll cut it into 4 equal pieces. I've chosen a bone-in ribeye steak for this recipe. What dog or human could resist a good ribeye steak? Start prepping your steak by patting them dry with a paper towel. This is key for a nice crust. Next, spread your cocoa rub evenly on the steaks. Loki used to love grabbing the kids' Oreos straight off the table. Push the rub into the steak as best you can. Now, let's prep some onions by cutting them into thin slices. Onto the garlic. We'll prep this by giving it a fine mince. Let's get started with our bacon. We'll start it off in a cold pan over low heat, and we'll cook it till it's nice and crispy. Once the bacon is crispy and brown, remove it from heat and set it aside. Mushrooms were Loki's absolute favorite. Throw them in that bacon grease, dump in some salt, and let them cook till they're brown. Now add your onions and let them sweat out for a bit. Very carefully add in your whiskey next. Then light the thing on fire. Be careful not to burn your house down. Let this cook for a few minutes. The mushrooms will be absorbing all that delicious sauce. Now, add in 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce and 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, followed by 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Loki loved joining me on those cold mornings as we harvested maple syrup in the woods. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes till it has started to thicken slightly. Now add your garlic and bacon back into the sauce. Time to cook up our steaks. Get 2 tablespoons of clarified butter into the pan. Drop those steaks in there and we'll cook them for 2 minutes on each side, depending on how you like it done. I personally prefer a medium rare, which is about 130 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. After the initial 2 minutes per side, flip your steak and cook for a minute. Then flip it again and cook for 1 minute to make 3 minutes per side. This will help prevent the cocoa rub from burning. Once finished, remove your steaks and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Plating here is simple. Put your meat down and get your onions and mushrooms on the other side. And don't forget to drizzle some of that delicious sauce on top of your steak. And there you have it, Loki's Whiskey Maple Ribeye Steak that's bursting with bold flavors. It's perfect for any cookout, a romantic dinner, or to commemorate your beloved companion. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Really good! Super sweet and juicy.
Sweet and savory. My favorite.